dear student. Today the glance of Mahatma Gandhiji and movements. Let's know the Mahatma Gandhiji. The Mahatma Gandhiji full name is Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi, who is popularly called Bapu. Was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar of present Gujarat, Khetawara district. The father name is Karamchandra Gandhi and mother name is Putli Bai. The Mahatma Gandhi played a major role in the Indian freedom movement. He created Gandhian way of struggle or Gandhi model of struggle in the Indian freedom movement. The period between 1920 and 1947 is called as Gandhian era. In his struggle, he used the many ideals. The important of the ideals is non-violence, satyagraha and ahimsa. Let's know the movements of Mahatma Gandhi. The first one is Sabarmati Ashrama. The Sabarmati Ashrama at Ahmedabad in 1960, he gave an institutional shape to his struggles by establishing Sabarmati Ashrama. The next one is Champarana movement. The Champarana movement in 1917 to support of indigo growers and made the British government accept the demands of the farmers. The next one is Ahmedabad movement. In Ahmedabad movement, Ahmedabad mill workers movement at Ahmedabad in to support the mill workers of Ahmedabad and made British government accept the demands of Ahmedabad mill workers. The next one is Kheda movement. In Kheda village movement in Gujarat to oppose the land tax, and it is also successful. And next one is the Khilafat movement. The basically Khilafat movement is not started by Mahatma Gandhiji. The Khilafat movement in India was started Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali in 1990, and also we call Ali brothers to support the Turkey. In Turkey, British harassed the Khalifa. Khalifa means the religious leader of Turkey. The next one is Satyagraha Sabha. Satyagraha Sabha to oppose the Rowlatt Act. The British government introduced Rowlatt Act. The next one is Non-Cooperation Movement. Non-Cooperation Movement in 1920. Non-cooperation movement aimed at educating the people about the British for their brutal killing and also preventing Jallianwala Bagh. But this movement will be withdrawn by Gandhiji because in movement February 12, 1922 caused the incident of Chauri Chaura incident in Uttar Pradesh. The next one is the civil disobedience movement. The civil disobedience movement by Gandhiji. Gandhiji wrote a 12 points letter of demand to the Viceroy. The government does not accept the demand. The people would reject the paying tax and also start civil disobedience movement all over India. The next one is Dandi March. The Dandi March also one of the part of civil disobedience movement in March 12, 1930. The Viceroy rejected the letters of 12 points of Gandhiji. Gandhiji and his followers started walk from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi, the coastal area of Gujarat. Gandhi covered 375 kilometers on foot and reached Dandi. He broke the law by holding a fistful salt without paying the tax which is the British had levied on salt. The next one is Quit India movement. Quit India movement in 1942. The Cripps Commission, which was sent by the British government, proposed some suggestion in front of Indians. But this proposal will be opposed by Congress and called for Quit India movement. The Quit India movement declared British, you quit India. Gandhi gave call to follow Indians to do or die. And finally in 1947 India got freedom from British. And this is the important the movements of Gandhiji at a glance. If you like this video, like and share and subscribe my channel.